Hey everyone, welcome back to Admin Assist. I'm Josh with the Customer Success team here at CIPO Software. Today we're going to be exploring how to generate the best reports for you and your organization. CIPO provides overview reports with integrations like Power BI, which deliver complex insights and a comprehensive view of all of your data, and it's all tailored to your organization's needs. If you already have a Power BI account, you can simply share your Power BI ID with us and we'll upload and display all of your reports directly within CIPO. If you don't have an account, there's no problem. CIPO can generate these detailed reports for you, ensuring that you have the data insights that you need without all of the extra hassle. For more detailed insights, you can create module-specific reports. And once you do that, you can open your menu tree and scroll down to Reporting module, and you're in. Instead of repeatedly filtering logs, you can generate tailored reports using keywords to quickly access the documents that you need. So for example, if I click on the projects, you can filter by those, or by contracts, by project manager, document type, etc. With pre-made reports ready for log view, this feature is perfect for users who frequently apply the same custom filters, and it just makes your workflow more efficient and you save valuable time. And then once your reports are ready, you can download them in Excel or document formats. You can print them directly for meetings and reviews, or you can even email them for easy sharing. You do that by clicking more options on any one of these. You can click Export Data. And once you choose your different layouts, you can choose a file format, click Export, and it's already downloaded for you. If you need multiple reports, there's no problem. You can generate as many as you need with the level of detail that you require, and you can share them in the format that works best for you. With CIPO's reporting capabilities, you can save time, improve accuracy, and keep everyone on the same page. If you have any more questions or you want to see some new features, you can contact us at support@cipocloud.com. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more admin tips.